The red soil of Kikuyu, Kenya nurtures more than just crops, it cultivates dreams. This land, rich in history and culture, has seen generations of innovators and visionaries rise from its depths. Here, amidst the rolling hills and vibrant communities, two individuals dared to challenge convention. They saw potential where others saw limitations, and they were determined to make a difference. Their names are David and John, and their story is one of resilience, ingenuity, and an unwavering commitment to uplifting their community. They are not just inventors, they are pioneers, leading a movement of change. Driven by a shared passion for technology and a deep empathy for amputees struggling to access affordable prosthetics, David and John embarked on a journey that would redefine possibilities. Their mission was clear: to create something that would bring hope and functionality to those in need. Their workshop, a testament to their resourcefulness, is a symphony of wires, circuits, and repurposed materials. It's a place where creativity meets practicality, and where every piece of discarded technology finds a new purpose. It's a space where discarded electronics find new life as instruments of empowerment. Here, innovation is not just a concept, it's a daily practice. Within these humble walls, David and John meticulously craft their revolutionary creation, a biorobotic prosthetic arm that is transforming lives. Their work is a beacon of hope, showing that with determination and ingenuity, even the most challenging obstacles can be overcome. David and John's path to innovation wasn't paved with formal degrees or generous grants. Instead, they carved their own way through sheer determination and resourcefulness. Their university was the boundless realm of knowledge accessible through the glow of a computer screen. The internet became their mentor, guiding them through uncharted territories. Hours were spent poring over online tutorials, dissecting open-source software, and engaging in forums with like-minded individuals. They taught themselves the intricacies of robotics and bioengineering, often working late into the night. Their classroom was the real world where experimentation and hands-on learning reigned supreme. Every failure was a lesson and every success a stepping stone. Financial constraints were a constant hurdle, but they found innovative ways to overcome them. They refused to let limited resources extinguish their burning desire to make a difference. Scraps became treasures, and every discarded item had potential. Ingenuity transformed everyday objects into essential components, turning obstacles into opportunities. Their journey is a testament to the power of self-belief and the unwavering human spirit. It shows that with passion and perseverance, one can rise above any circumstance. Their story is a beacon of hope, inspiring others to pursue their dreams despite the odds. Traditional prosthetic arms, often prohibitively expensive, remained out of reach for many Kenyans, leaving them with limited options and diminished hope for a better quality of life. David and John envisioned a solution that transcended financial barriers, a hand up, not a handout. They wanted to create something that would empower individuals rather than make them feel dependent. Their biorobotic arm, crafted from recycled materials and readily available components, costs a fraction of its traditional counterparts, making it accessible to those who need it most. This innovative approach not only reduces costs but also promotes sustainability. This groundbreaking invention doesn't compromise on functionality. It is designed to be robust and reliable, ensuring that users can depend on it in their daily lives. It grants users an unprecedented level of control and mobility, empowering them to reclaim their independence and engage with the world on their own terms. This newfound freedom allows them to pursue their passions and contribute to their communities. David and John understand that a prosthetic is more than just a medical device. It's a symbol of hope, a tool that unlocks potential, and a catalyst for social reintegration. Their work is a testament to the power of innovation and compassion in transforming lives. The ingenuity of David and John's creation lies not just in its affordability, but also in its intuitive design. The arm boasts a remarkable range of motion mimicking the fluidity and dexterity of a human limb. Lightweight yet durable materials ensure comfort and longevity, allowing users to seamlessly integrate the prosthetic into their daily lives. Whether it's the simple act of holding a loved one's hand enjoying a meal with dignity or pursuing a forgotten passion, the biorobotic arm empowers individuals to reclaim their autonomy and live life to the fullest. It's a testament to the transformative power of technology when applied with compassion and a deep understanding of the human need it seeks to address. A community embraced. David and John's workshop is a hub of activity, a place where innovation intersects with community spirit. They actively collaborate with local amputees, incorporating their feedback and experiences into each iteration of the arm. Disability experts are frequent visitors, offering their expertise and guidance. This collaborative approach ensures that the prosthetic arm is tailored to the unique needs and aspirations of its users. It's a testament to David and John's belief in the power of shared knowledge and the importance of placing the end user at the heart of the design process. Thinking with intention, moving with will. The true genius of David and John's invention lies in its control system. Utilizing cutting-edge technology, they've harnessed the power of neural signals to grant users an intuitive and seamless level of control over the prosthetic arm. By simply thinking about the desired movement, users can effortlessly manipulate the arm's dexterity. This groundbreaking approach eliminates the need for cumbersome and often unreliable external controls, allowing users to interact with their environment with newfound ease and precision. It's a testament to David and John's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and their unwavering belief in the power of technology to restore agency and independence. Dreams deferred, not diminished. Despite their remarkable achievements, David and John's journey has been fraught with challenges. Securing funding remains an ongoing struggle. Traditional avenues for financial support often overlook grassroots innovators, particularly those operating outside the traditional confines of academia or established research institutions. Yet, David and John remain undeterred. Their passion for their work burns brightly, fueled by the knowledge that they are making a tangible difference in the lives of others. Each smile they witness, each story of newfound independence, reaffirms their belief in the importance of their mission. Investing in ingenuity, empowering the future. David and John's story is a beacon of hope, a testament to the boundless potential that resides within every corner of our planet. Their journey underscores the urgent need to support grassroots innovations, to nurture the seeds of ingenuity that blossom in unexpected places. Imagine the global impact if individuals like David and John were empowered with the resources and support they deserve. Their story is a call to action, a reminder that investing in local ingenuity isn't just an act of charity, it's an investment in a brighter and more equitable future for all.